Welcome back to my channel Create Confidence with Moni, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you all how to make homemade scrub. So the first step is we need to clean our lips. So that first I'm using this badam tail oil to clean my lips.
Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna.
So after cleaning the lips, let's move on to the scrub. So for the scrub you'll need some sugar and some honey. Mix it well. After mixing it, add 2 drops of lime juice and mix it well. Now you can scrub your lips using the scrub. Now after scrubbing your lips for 2 seconds, you can wipe it with a cotton cloth. After scrubbing, use a gentle lip balm to moisturize your lips. I'm using this purple Childhood Roses lip balm. And I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.